Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on installing apps on the onboard Android system on the TouchIT Y series. Now we all know that apps are probably the best thing about the onboard Android system because it gives us access to thousands of apps, thousands of pieces of content that we can download and use on the interactive LED. So let's take a look at how we go about installing all these fantastic apps. So with the Y series, there's actually two ways, and they're both linked to the TouchIT App Store. The TouchIT App Store is available as a web store, which you can visit www.touchitappstore.com, create yourself that free account, log in, and then you can download and install any of the apps that you find in the App Store, and there's over 1,000 apps in there. The other way of installing apps onto the onboard Android is actually through our native app store, which you'll find inside the apps. And you'll have installed that when you received your welcome email with the links on how to download all your software and register. Here we have the TouchIT App Store, and it works in exactly the same way as the web store. You create yourself that free account, you log in, and then you have access to all of these apps where we can simply tap on an app, we can get more information about it, you can leave a review, and to install, you simply hit the install button there at the top left of the screen, and that app will install directly onto your onboard Android. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Enjoy.